Okay, so now that we've made our list, let's add it up.
Alright, so we have 3 numbers here. Plus, how many numbers here? Well, we have 8, 10, 12, all the way up to 26, which is the same amount of numbers as 4, 5, 6, all the way up to 13. Subtract 3 from everything, and there's 10 numbers. So we have 10 here. We have 28 to 38 now. Well, this one's close enough that we could just count. We have 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38.
Okay.
6 numbers.
All right. How could we have seen that was 6 numbers your other way?
Well,
let's get some practice.
28, all the way up to 38, 14, all the way up to 19. Then subtract 13 from everything, and you get 6 numbers.
Okay. Great. So we got 6 numbers. All right.
3 plus 10 plus 6. But with this 3, you have 3 choices for every case. So this 3 is actually a 9.
Okay.
And for this 10, you have 2 for every case. So this is actually a 20. And you have 1 for every case, so this 6 doesn't change.
Okay.
So you have 6.
Well, 35. Because you have 15 plus 20.
35.
35.
Okay. Which is what we got before.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. So it's interesting. We got 35 2 different ways. Counting the B's, we got 35. Remember what the 3 numbers
I think it
were?
was 19.
19 plus.
I remember there was a 6, there was a 3 in that. There was a 19, 13, and 3.
3.
Okay, good. And counting the C's, we got 35 as
It's.
Well, we had the 9
We
plus
have
20 plus 6.
plus 6. So there were two different ways to count this, and we better end up at the same answer, right? Because we're counting.
Same thing.
We're counting the same thing. So that's interesting. So the cases here were a little tricky to see. I guess if we counted the A's, what would our equation be? 35 equals
35.
35.
That would
That's
be a
why
little
counting
harder.
the A's isn't so helpful, because the A's only have one choice.
Yeah.
But the B's had
a couple choices.
a bunch of different choices from 2, from 2 up to 6, right? 2, 4, and 6. 2, 4, and 6. That's the B's. The C's had a lot of different choices from 2 to 38, but we were able to group them into where you had 3 cases, where you had 2 cases, and where you had 1 case.
Cool.
So good. All right. Good work this morning, guys. Good counting.